Hi everybody, this is Chrissy from Not Your Average Pot. I just wanted to show you quickly how to set up stock notifications for the popular IKEA cabinets that people modify into greenhouses. So one of the most popular is this tall Mills bow. And to set up stock notifications, you do have to go to the website. You can't do it from the app or the mobile site. So go to IKEA.com. You can search for Mills bow. One thing that annoys me about IKEA is that they name the same products the same name. So you can see these are both called Mills bow. This one we call the tall Mills bow. This one we call the wide Mills bow. So go ahead. The tall Mills bow is most popular. And then I do have my store already set up as Conshohocken. So to set up your own local store, you can click on that, search by zip code, or use my location and go to your store. And you can see here it says out of stock. So I just click notify me. And then I prefer to you get a text message when they come in. So I'm going to use an old phone number. Sorry, whoever's getting this notification. And then you click set notification or something. I'm not really sure what that was because it's behind my camera. And then the other thing I do is because I have another store close by, I do check other stores. And then I click the star is set as my IKEA, and you can see it's also out of stock in South Philadelphia. So I would also set up a stock notification for that. Now, one thing that's kind of confusing is if you also don't care about the color and you are also okay with white as opposed to the anthracite or black, you also have to set up stock notifications for the white. So if you only set it up for the black, you'll only get notifications if the black comes in stock. With the white, you'll only get notifications if the white comes in stock. So that is probably the best way. And in my next video, I will do how to the best way to collect your cabinet, which is click and collect. That way you don't have to worry about them going out of stock before you get there. And it's a little confusing.